Today I'm taking you to the CET office. It's a bit of a secret spot, so I'll show you the way. Make sure you find the CLD building first and head in. Don't tell the director, but I'm running super late today, so bear with me. And we're here. Let's go in and say hi to everyone.
Hello, I'm Rita. I am the program director of CET Taiwan, and I'm one of the emergency contacts. So if there's anything that you need us for, you can call me 24/7 when I'm on call. And I'm also the academic director of CET Taiwan, so I really pop in and out of the classroom, and I'll be with you in the field classes. And I am the backup of every staff here, so they all have their individual responsibilities, but if you cannot find them, I will be the backup. And I also love to chat, so you can come to me and chat. And yeah, I think that's all I do.
Hello, I'm Hannah. I'm the CET program assistant. As you can see, I'm always here helping to get your reimbursement or leave buju. I love shopping, cats, and food, so if you need any recommendations or if you have any questions regarding life in Taiwan, you're always welcome to come to me. Of course, if it's an emergency, you are encouraged to talk to Melita first. And since I'm chronically online, I can teach you the latest Taiwanese slang to help you become the most authentic Chinese speaker. So yeah, that's it about me. You're always free to come here, to talk to me, to chat with me, to share your tea with me, and ask me any questions or just shoot me a message.
Hello, hi. I'm Melita, the RD resident director here at CET Taiwan, and I'm primarily responsible for anything health and safety related. So if you're looking for what doctor to go to or how to navigate the insurance that you have here, then you can always find me. Also for anything just getting used to life here in Taiwan, troubleshooting any sort of interpersonal relationships. So if you're having issues with your roommate, with your language partner, with your classmates, you're always welcome to find me, and we can talk through things and figure out how to work things out.
Hi, I'm Greta. I'm the Custom Programs Resident Director for CET Taiwan. You'll see me around the office sometimes. I'll be helping out at some program activities, and I'm also one of the emergency contacts who rotates with Melita and Rita. Yeah, nice to meet you.
I have some problem with my class and internship.
Oh, that is not a question for us. That is a question for Yazan and Yanggang. And if it's internship, then you can also talk to Rita as well. And they're going to be in the office next door, so you can go knock on the door and find one of them.
Oh, great, thanks. Hello, I'm looking for Yazan and Yanggang.
Hello.
Hi，你好，我们是美商全台所学的教务专员。如果对于学业有任何问题，都可以来询问我们。中文课想要换班，生病不舒服，有事要请假，田野课不清楚要去哪里，任何有关学术的问题都可以来找我们。比较不一样的地方是，如果你有需要中文1对1的辅导，你可以单独跟我约时间，并告诉我你需要加强的地方，我会尽力帮助你。
Yeah, I'm Yang Kong, and just like she said, that's Yajin, by the way. Yeah, we are the academic team, and we both handle your academic tasks. So anything has to do with academics, that's us. That includes that if you are sick and you want to take a leave from class, you are going to be absent, or you have performance grade issues or questions, or you have grading scheme questions, you have Chinese class questions, you want to switch classes. That's all us. What's different is that Yazin is a Chinese teacher, bona fide Chinese teacher, so she can answer your Chinese language related questions. And I'm your internship management, and I do internship site coordination. So if you have any questions relating to your internship, that's me.
Hi, I'm Teresa. I am the operations manager at CET Taiwan. I handle the office's administrative and operational stuff, as well as manage our budget. And there's another important part of my role is overseeing the local roommates, and we recruit the great local students to join our program so they can spend time with our students and help them immerse themselves in the Chinese-speaking environment at home.
Hi, this is Mia. I'm the Student Life Coordinator at CET Taiwan, and I organize cultural events for all of you, and also I facilitate a language partner program. So if you have any question or issue with your language partner, you can always come to me. And if you want to join a student club or want to get the student club reimbursement, you can always come to me, and then I can explain the program to you. Yeah, and you will see me at most of the cultural events. Yeah.
So this is us. Welcome to CET Taiwan. We're excited to have you.